Hey, welcome back to Splatterfish. Getting ready to head back out on the lake again today with my good buddy Captain Steve. And I'm gonna turn it over to him because I can't remember what we're doing today. So here we go, Captain Steve.
Hey guys, we're here on Chemong Lake. We're gonna head up through Buckhorn Lake up to Bobcaygeon. We're gonna go catch a glimpse of the powerboat poker run that's happening this weekend, October, what is it, 4th?
4th, yeah.
Yeah, so hopefully we'll get some good footage for you guys. I'm a little camera shy, so that's probably enough for me.
You're a pro. Yeah, he's gonna be a pro. We're waiting on another special guest that's gonna arrive any minute, and then we're gonna head out. Well, we headed back out on the lake this morning. We just cast off. Going to be a beautiful day on the water. I'll edit that. So we got Ken piloting, and we got a special guest today on his debut on Splatterfish, Mr. Jimmy.
Hey, new guy on this town.
Cool guy.
Pretty strange, like never seen a brown guy in your video before.
It's your debut.
Oh, I like this place. Steve, I appreciate that you have a beautiful lake and beautiful house.
No problem. Come back again, bud.
Awesome.
It's a good weather too.
We're gonna hit up and see the boat races later on. I got lots of sunblock because the last time I did a video, I got sunburnt for 3 days. Took me a while to get over it.
Oh yeah, here.
Coming up on a road up here somewhere, I don't know. What's the name of the road up here, Steve?
This is Ganyon's Narrows.
Narrows?
What's the name of the bridge?
Ganyon's Narrows. You have to look it up on the map.
Oh yeah. And a nice boat coming down here. I can't wait to see the jet boat.
Bridge, the executive estates.
Yeah.
Hey, Mr. Broker.
Hey, what's up? Hopefully you can hear mine.
I'm going to steal you some of your views.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah, what a gorgeous spot.
Billionaire, multi-millionaire, billionaire. Bunch of billionaires gathered together, like, you know.
Oh, this is what I live for here. Not the salt water, but it'll do. Just as good if you ask me.
So when I get a chance to meet these guys, I just have one run with them. What the fuck do you guys doing for a living?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You're doing something right.
Yeah. I hope so.
Oh, there's another loon there.
Oh, okay.
Loon in the water. Hopefully I get him. There he is. On the Canadian Looney.
I gotta slow down up here.
Got some nice boats coming in here.
You need to slow down, right?
Oh yeah. Safety.
I can't wait to see the jet boats. Yeah, it's a nice warm day and we're gonna get a lot of boats come out. But everybody is here to see the big jet boats. It's gonna be a time. Stay tuned. That was a nice time coming up the lake.
Yeah.
Just coming into the channel now, and we're gonna see some jet boats come up through the locks.
People like come to visit my country and just have this.
What a gorgeous day on the water.
Yeah, it's a good business for them.
Beautiful. Gorgeous day on the water. Can't beat it. Man, it's so peaceful here. Steve, is this where the locks are up here?
Yeah, it's gonna take a while. We gotta go up here slow.
Yeah. Beautiful day on the water, isn't it?
What if, okay, just one question. What if you raise your board as like, you know, more than this,
Fast?
more than fast? What would happen? Someone is watching you here?
It's gonna be hard. It's kind of a respect thing because they don't want what they call no wake. They don't want you driving through here pounding their bolts into
Yeah,
the
but the question is, some idiots do this shit, like, you know, speed their board more than which it is limited on here. What would happen?
Well, somebody could take a video perhaps and see the side of the number on the boat, which would identify that.
Alright.
And you could probably turn that into the authorities and likely get a fine for that.
Beautiful day.
How much cost would it be?
Notice I'm wearing my BJ's hat again.
Okay.
Today, the Blue Jays starts their World Series journey, taking on the New York Yankees. Go Jays.
They have a garage.
Beautiful.
Yeah, boathouse, yeah.
Boathouse. Looks like a garage for you know, like the garage in front of us.
All right, I'm gonna wrap this up and wait till we get into the locks. Yeah, we're just entering Bobcaygeon. It's got some really nice boats here.
Hey, Steve, I remember you said that you get a cheap gasoline from somewhere else. Where is it?
Native.
Native?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you, man. I told you, man. I told you yesterday, right? Mr. No, day before yesterday. You get fuel. You can use that only on your boat, right? You can use that on you cannot use on the car.
Oh yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Is it refined?
Oh, good gas, yeah.
Nice boats.
Golden Yacht.
These guys are nuts. You know what, boys? Let's just go through the locks. These guys, you see this? These guys are all hogging the parking. You'll never get a spot. Yeah, you got this, eh?
Oh yeah. We're in the lock now, waiting. Lock's filling up. It's just a small lot. Everybody's turning out today for the races. Yeah. Oh, of course.
Just take
Yeah.
the money in.
No.
No, maybe they don't want it.
All right, I'm gonna end it here until we get through.
Need it now.
It's more challenge.
Yeah, here comes the boat here, guys. Coming in now.
See that?
Perfect timing.
Start filming now.
Wow. whoa.
You gotta get I just need to
Wicked. Wicked noise. Oh. Look at that one. Holy smoke. Oh man.
perfect timing, man. Perfect
Yeah,
timing.
wicked.
That's
Look
what
at
I was
this.
saying.
Oh yeah, wait till these boats take off.
And I never thought we can see these things this much closely. I never see.
Holy hell. Holy smokes. I bet you they can go. Don't take long getting the pitch tickles. 2 450s. Oh yeah. Oh man, look at that. That's a spaceship, dude. Look at that.
Yeah, I did that same assuming that.
Oh,
There's a lot coming, man. There's a lot.
oh, there's tons of them, dude. Look at this yellow one coming here.
I love this.
Oh yeah. Can't wait to see this one open up. Wicked. Oh. Mercury Racing. Oh. Wicked. This is what we came here for, boys. Front row seats. Oh, look at that one. 4 motors on that one. Yep. Wow. 350s or 4 300s? 4 350s. Oh, wicked. Big event here today. All thanks to our Captain Steve for giving us this awesome day on the water. That's the yellow one down there making all the noise. Just wants to scream and go. We're just sitting there on by the dock. We're not tied up or nothing. We're just chilling, watching all the wicked boats go through. Bobcaygeon, like the Tragically Hip song. Wicked. Wicked. That's a nice one. Look at that. Listen to the idle. Listen to the power behind those engines. Man, what a remarkable day. Hear the sound of those engines, the power. Amazing.
This is Jimmy. This is my wife.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Please subscribe to this channel, Flat Fish.
Yeah, celebrity now. Look how low the bow sits. Wicked. Look at her water line. It's like so cool, man. Boy's got the music on, boss, over there. Man, this is gonna sound wicked when they're open up. They're all lined up now waiting to go through the locks that we just came through. Like, as soon as we came out of the locks, they were waiting on us. Now they're all lined up like a big parade. Can't wait to see these boats take off. Hear that roar. That's a nice boat. They must level out when they're at full power, because look how low the bows are right. Amazing. Man, that could go. Look at this one over here. This one's like saying, let me roar. Can't wait to see these guys screaming in the lake. 2 400s on that one. That's why our bow's low. Those two big engines. Or stern, sorry. I'm here saying bow like an idiot. That's our stern. Yeah, I'm definitely going to hit it dead out. Me calling the stern bow. The bow. Look at this. This is like a jet. No script. I'm just trying to say what I feel, man, by seeing these engines. It's like, man, it's definitely not leaving me speechless because I probably won't shut up. But what power. What do you think of it, boys?
Hey, I think you got a lot of content.
Hey?
I think you got lots of content except us. Yeah, you need to take the video of us.
I'm doing it now.
Just give an attitude.
We're just chilling here, looking at the boats. Parked curbside. Captain Steve and our good buddy Gibbet. Yeah. What kind of hat you sporting here, Steve?
Oh yeah, no, this is
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
It's a private trip, okay? Private French trip.
No, it ain't. Yeah, wicked.
Hey, one day we're gonna buy the boat like this and we're gonna have some fun. Just like, you know, just hope for the best.
We're gonna sit sail for Newfoundland, enter the lake.
Oh yeah. We're gonna bring back something.
Yeah. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Amazing. Look at, listen to this. Listen to this burn over there. Oh, just idling away. Wants to just bark at a starting gate. Oh, I didn't see the orange one. Oh, slingshot. Slingshot. That one's turning too. Wicked. Look at this one here with the flames in it. Wicked. Yeah, they're letting them through the locks down there now. There's only a few left. I don't know if you can hear me over the sheer power of the engines that you hear. Well, this is the end of the line. We're almost all through the locks now. And we're just chilling. Chilling with the boys. Alright, that was pretty wicked, man. We're just gonna wait for them to go through the locks now, and we're gonna go head up for some lunch, and after lunch we're gonna see these bad boys open up and see what they got. Stay tuned.
And then,
Oh, all the water's coming out.
look at the puppy. Look at the water. It's gonna go down. And then when it's down, we'll have to
Someone's playing AC/DC. Wicked. There he is. The boys. Ah.
These are all freeloaders.
Yeah. This is where we had lunch. Over there. Beautiful. What a gorgeous day, and we all wore jeans because the last time it was cold. Today the sun's out blasting, but today I got sunblock on. Now we're gonna go catch up with the boats and see them hopefully at full speed. That's spot, Canada geese. They're some wild, ready to take off, right in it. Yeah, they don't seem to be too bothered. Jibbin, there's a boathouse, look.
Sailboats by. Yeah, I know there's no now.
Oh, finally getting some breeze. It was a warm day. There we go. Hold them up, look out. Woo! Jibbin, come back, sit down here, buddy. There you go. Better in the lot. Looks like a sailing school or something. Yeah, nice. That's pretty free. That's freedom. Nice day for sailing. A little bit of wind, not much, but enough. Yeah, that's what I like. Can't beat it.
Hey, I think someone's sliding. You know there's the
Water skiing.
water ski.
Jet ski.
Jet ski? No, the one that is coming. Oh, is it jet ski? Oh, really? I thought.
Yeah, that's a jet ski. That's right.
Hold on.
Oh my god.
Cutting across the lot.
That's fun.
Everybody enjoying the water today. We're trying to get a good spot now so we can see the jet boats come by. We're in a chop there now. Boat just crossed by. Everybody's parked up here to see the jet boats go by. We're probably going to do the same.
Want to try that?
Oh, we got the anchor thrown out. Waiting for the big jet boats to come. We got the canopy up. Gonna relax and chill.
Yeah.
Nice and comfortable. I hear a roar coming down there.
I think we're going to see something now, boys. Yes, sir.
Here they come, boys. Oh, look at this one. Wicked. That was absolutely amazing, boys. That was worth the wait there, wasn't it? Woo! Here we got the weight coming in now. Go for a cowboy ride.
You can hear the power, right?
Oh yeah, amazing, man.
See the tide coming?
Oh yeah. Yeah. should have stayed with her too.
Yeah, we should have.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're on the lookout for the jet boats because they're gone on like 3 or 4 different lakes. But we saw a few. First ones was the Wicked. But we're still on the hunt. We don't know what lake they're gone on. But look at that view. I could look at that all day. Wicked.
That one?
You have to slow down. Seriously?
Yeah. That wasn't a jet boat. Or a perform. There's one, Steve! 2 o'clock!
Oh, that one? That one?
Yeah.
Which way is this going? Which way is this going, man? I think we can gather forward this way.
I think we found them.
Oh, we got a view gone.
We can't make it again. Hey, which way is going, man? Huh? Steve.
Man, I gotta get a stabilizer.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Still is coming. Yeah, there's a lot more coming. You can stand up over there. See, it's coming.
Big power boats.
that might be coming this way.
Full
I
ton
think
more
these are
coming
coming
in
this
here.
way. Yeah.
All right. Nice.
Look at this yellow one. I think this is my favorite. Ooh, we made it back to the dock. I'd like to thank everybody for tuning in. It was an amazing day. And again, I'd like to thank Captain Steve for inviting me along today. And our good buddy Jibbin. All three of us work together. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you want to help me out, subscribe, like, comment. Subscribe, like, comment. You know, amazing day. Thanks for watching. Until the next time.